Right, a quick one today. Aldi are doing for £6.99 these little kits. You could call them like a starter kit because you get the kit, the paints, a brush, also the glue. There's only one decal scheme which shows you on the back, and the first kit I got was the Messerschmitt BF 109E-3. It's a 1/72 scale. It's a lovely little kit. I've done one of these before. Fantastic. £6.99. Lovely little present for somebody if you want to give them as that. But I like doing these for myself because I think they're fantastic. Tooling were done in 2012, and so are the decals. All the decals on these, to what I know of, this one definitely is. It should be cartograph because the last time. There we go. Cartograph. You also get a flying hour. So I got that one. £6.99. Ooh. That way. Next one. Turn it round the right way. A Hawker Hurricane Mark 1. Want to do one of these? I ain't done an Hurricane for a long time now, at least a good 2 years. Again, the paints for the colour scheme you get, a brush, glue. There's the colour scheme. This one was tooled in 2013 and decal, and that was 2014. Again, there should be, yep, cartograph, and there's your flying hour. Nice little kit. The 172 Hunting Percival Jet Provost T.4. Again, brushes and that for what you want to make the kit as it is. As you can see, this one was done in 2016 tooling. The decal scheme was 2017. Again, flying hour and cartograph. And last but not least, a good old classics Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1A. Brushes and paints again, all for what for this scheming is. And there you go again. This one's a slightly older kit, I believe. Where are we? 2010, yeah. Tool design 2010, pat design 2010. I don't know if you do. Yeah, there's still cartographs, and you've still got a flying hour. So you've got 4 kits there. So I've paid £28 for those 4 kits. Lovely kits, fantastic bargain if you ask me. These are usually about 12 quid to buy, between 10 and 12, but usually it's about 12. And to prove it, here's my little receipt. 4 kits, £6.99. Just doing this to let you know. Get you sent to Aldi. They usually sell out quick, to be honest. There is another one. I didn't see it, but I'll go back tomorrow and have another look just to see. That one is, let me just check, it should be the Focke-Wulf FW 190A-8. Again, it's £6.99. There is also, because I did see some of them, you've got your quick build kits. There's the Spitfire, F22 Raptor, a couple of cars, that kind of stuff. If you want them, they're £8.99, but I'm not into these quick build kits. They are nice kits for what you get, fantastic. And for the younger audience that are coming into it, brilliant kits. But as I say, these are ones where I wanted, so I got them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope it helps you get out there and get them quick while you can. Catch you on next one.